man, dude, the bike started, and that was one of the most important things today. The bike started, pulled the whole shot, and man, just controlled the race. I threw down a pretty good first lap, and once I got that first lap under my belt, I put it in pace mode, really. No mistakes. Made sure I got through lappers good. Really just put my head on a swivel, knew what I was doing, and just put my head down as well. I mean, felt good, rode good, happy with where I'm finishing. The championship points really don't show all the work we've been putting in all year, but I hope they do at the end of the year. Thank you, Daisy.
Oh my gosh, it feels amazing. I didn't get such a good start, but I made passes, smart passes here and there, and when I got in second and me and Hannah split going up a hill, I just held my line, and then I led the rest of the race, and it was just amazing. I'm speechless.
That's my hair. Woo. Look, guys, they told me, they're like, you know, the GNCC is extreme, right? I was like, all right, it gets muddy. All right, I learned that at round 3. Dust at a GNCC race. You might not know, but this is a black shirt and green shorts. I'm just 50 shades of dust right now. These guys don't care. They're just wide open no matter what you're doing. What a race we just had, and we're just getting started. Pros haven't even raced yet. Crazy. Mason-Dixon, baby.
You can get all the gear that I wear from your local Parts Unlimited dealer or mooseracing.com. There's your part number if you'd like to know what I wear. You know what's funny is people make me laugh because they're like, what do you think about today? And I'm like, I don't know, man. It is, blah, 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 all that, all that jazz. And everybody says, I like your saying. I said, what? And they're like, you can't teach an old dog new tricks, but he sure can use his old ones. I think I might have to hashtag that one.
Close your eyes. What do you see? Perfect.
Yeah, there you go. Okay.
Yeah! Ready to go sweat it off, baby.
Today's a podium day.
I'm feeling it. I feel good. I'm ready to roll.
Yep. Go ahead. On a scale of 1 to 10, minus a 7. How do you think the track's gonna look?
Oh, it's an 11, dude. I'm stoked.
The track?
I'm stoked.
Just drive fast.
It's like an FTR, dude. It's like a floor trail riders out here, and we're gonna be rolling.
I'd like the mud more.
Okay.
The dust is scary. I think I'll. Yeah, gotta get the full shot. I think it'll be all right. I just don't like not being able to see. That's a little scary.
It'll buff out though.
Yes, it definitely will.
Dude, it's podium time now. You know what it feels like.
Gotta get a good start. We got this.
How you feeling?
I was late getting up here. I had my sister and my girlfriend racing in the morning race. I'm feeling good. I took care of them. Now it's time to take care of business.
That's pretty good, but I gotta tell you, we are in the heart of off-road racing, a stone's throw from the world headquarters. I'm gonna ask you one more time. Are you ready to go GNCC racing? Go into the whole shot. It's carnage. How about that? The 7-1-4 Rummy Rush will grab the All Balls Racing whole shot. And you don't think these men want it? We are already battling in the XC1. Here we go, XC2 Pro-Am class whole shot award.
behind him.
Great
Three
riding.
turns away. Here we go, boys.
Great riding by the Coltrane right there.
Knows
Good
exactly
defensive
where
riding.
Bryson wants to be and says no.
Oh my goodness.
That's it.
Yep.
That's it.
Here
right
we
there.
go into
That's
the
it,
finish
that's
line.
it.
Oh, a little love
Yep,
tap by
little love
B. Neal.
tap.
That's going to be it.
And your winner today
Mercy.
is Cole Richardson, Bryson Neal, making up a lot of time, making our hearts beat fast. And,
Yeah, I mean, we somehow got into the lead there early on. We actually didn't have that great of a jump, but was able to sneak through some guys. I think we was third going in the woods. Got around boards. Josh dusted me out, and I was talking to Brandon Frazier, and before the race, he said X mile to X mile actually wasn't bad on the West Virginia side. So I was just trying to push to catch Josh there to see if he kind of let me round and pace off me. He knew we're pretty quick here. We still have the most wins here. I'm just pumped to get another one. And I don't know, we just clicking off flaps, felt real comfortable. Was letting Bryson kind of click off some time there at the end, but gave him a little too much, got some lappers, and all of a sudden, boom, he's right there. And I knew he was going to be charging, but we got it done.
So dusty track, and it was a long haul back to the front. Whenever I got goggles, I had the pit stop, got me fresh water, and whenever I got around Josh Merritt and McGill, and I got some clear track, man, I was really starting to lay it down. And the track where we just got that little bit of rain, the berms, they were berming up awesome. Got the acid engine out, Hauser A-arms, Oka shocks, everything was clicking great today, man. And I'm so pumped I was able to, reel him in, get close to him at the pit. Was able to show him some wheels coming in here to the finish line. And I wish I had a little bit more time, but I'm so pumped. I'm really happy to bring home second.
Start was, I thought I had the jump, got spun a little bit there, and then, dude, Bryson, I went wide in the corner. Bryson just came out of nowhere, literally landed on me, and pretty scary. Luckily, I kind of ducked out, but I think we ended up bending a ball joint when he landed on us, and that was lap one, so it made it a little tough to go straight, and we knew we couldn't turn left as aggressive as we wanted to, but no, just adapted to that, and then we were, back like second to last, and hey, we came through, we made it happen, back on the box, solid points day, row one at Snowshoe, which will be nice, and yeah, all in all, good day. Just wish our start could have been a little better. I think we had the jump, and it happens.
Little noise for your XC1 Pro podium. Champagne showers, make some noise for your XC1 podium. Frisbees now, every week, it's like they just up the ante. We got towels, then we got koozies, then we got rubber ducks. Now we got, don't make them feel awkward. Cheer for them while they smile. There we go. All right, a great job.